I like it spicy but not too spicy, so I'm gonna add some jalapeno pepper in there. You can add Scotch bonnet, whatever whatever pepper you have. Or if you don't like any, if you don't like it spicy, you don't have to add any. Now the fish is almost ready. I'm gonna add some, we call it shallots. I'm not sure how they call it in English, but we're just gonna add that in there. And those are from Haiti. They are very delicious. It seems like everything that grows in Haiti is good. I'm not trying to, not just because it's my country, but it's just a fact. So instead of like flipping the fish around, it's best to just put the sauce on it. Now I'm gonna add a cup of water. When you're adding water, make sure you add it to the side, like this, not directly on the fish. So you need a nice bath of water for the fish, because the sauce is going to be awesome. You can move this to the side. And keep letting it boil. In this case, you don't have to worry about overcooking the fish, because that's really what you want. You want it to fall off the bone. Hey guys, at this point the fish is ready. I'm just gonna grab a piece in here. And I have some plantain on the side. And I'm just gonna add a little bit of that sauce. Oh, I just love it. This is awesome, guys. You definitely have to try it, and it's not that hard, and then I'll show you guys every single step. So thanks for watching. I've been up since 3 in the morning. It's 10:30 now, so I'm just gonna eat this and go back to sleep, because I need to get some sleep. Alright, thanks for watching.